mirror leg traces. Another variation to create a figure 8 shape around your legs, but you're not only tracing on the outside of your legs around your knees, but you're really threading between the legs and do a handoff in the middle. How do they work? At first you need to go down deep, so do your squats. If you do a fitness program in the morning, then you can just add your whip this way. So you go down here, and then I start with the whip behind my back when I just start from the scratch to keep the fibers a bit anchored when I start first. And I want my handle in the reverse grip for the handoffs. I'm faster with the handoffs if I hold the handle this way around, so the fibers are coming out at the pinky side, and this end is at the thumb side of the hand. So then you go down deep, you come around here in the hip, down in the middle, and the other hand comes here through underneath the leg. So then you do the handoff here, then this hand comes around, the other hand has to leave this place, also go around the other leg, and then you do the handoff there, coming around. So both hands are moving from side to side, so simultaneously coming up and going around the other leg. So like this. And when you do it a bit faster and go a bit deeper with the squat, then the fibers just stay on the leg. And you're always tracing down and doing the handoff in front of the fiber end here. So, like this. The other way, maybe I haven't practiced it enough yet, it's a bit less smooth, but you can do all the same outwards. So you can start this one with the whip in front, again the fiber head in the reverse grip, go down, and then you start here on the same side leg and you go down on the outside, and then the handle comes up in the middle, the other hand comes here from the top between the legs for the handoff, and takes the handle around here, around on the outside of the other leg. This hand comes to the middle to get the handle again, like so. And again, the handoff is in front of the fiber tail here. If you don't want to do these quads, you can use this technique also for just weaving around your legs with the straight legs. So you can just do the handoff here and let the whip just wind around your legs from one side to the other, without stepping on the fibers, of course. This is now the inwards version. For this variation, when you just stand, I have the handle again in the forwards grip, so the fiber end is coming out at the thumb side. And you can do this as well from behind in the outwards version, so this hand is coming from behind, the other hand grabbing from the front, and so forth. I think these make nice shapes, and I like to see you throw them in your flow once in a while. Bye!